Yo, YouTube, what is going on? Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free Xbox Game Pass. This is going to give you 12 months for completely free using a simple Xbox code. So, let me head to my desk and show you guys how to get your free Xbox Game Pass. Let's do this. Okay, guys, this video is awesome because I'm going to be showing you how to get a free Xbox Game Pass membership for 12 months. This method is the easiest method available online, and it takes between 5 to 10 minutes to get a free Xbox Game Pass membership, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So just make sure you follow the instructions that you're going to see in this video. So, open up an internet browser on your mobile phone. So it's important you type this website exactly how I'm going to be typing it here, because you need to go directly to the website. So type it like this: www.wavycoupons.com. So WAVY coupons. Make sure you type it like this because you need to go directly to this website here. And this website is absolutely awesome. You can see on my screen, they have lots and lots of different pages. So go to the search bar at the top where it says search below and just type in Xbox. And if you type in Xbox gift card codes or just Xbox gift, it should just pop up this page here. Alternatively, you can also just find it by manually looking. So open that page and scroll down. You can see there are a ton of different codes that you can choose between. And this video, we're focusing on the Game Pass code that says free 12 months Xbox Game Pass membership. So this is going to get you a free 12 months, and this uses simple Xbox codes that you can redeem. So click on Show Coupon. And here we go, it says free 12 months Xbox Game Pass membership. And essentially, guys, you can see here, we have to unlock the full Xbox code. So tap Unlock Code. Okay, and now you're going to see this page that says Code Unlocker. Basically, we need to complete 2 of the tasks listed on this screen, and it's going to unlock our free Xbox Game Pass code. So we need to basically follow the instructions, and you can see on my screen, I have probably about 6 or 7 different tasks here, and they have a description below each of them telling you what you need to do. So basically, guys, you just need to select 2 tasks on this screen, follow the instructions, and fully complete them. So that's exactly what I'm going to go and do now. I'll pause the video, just so this video is not too long. I'll return. Okay, guys, so I just completed 2 tasks on this page. So I went ahead and completed this survey where basically I had to answer some questions and then input my email address. Then I just downloaded this Coin Master game and I had to play it until I completed a certain level. So now I've completed 2 tasks following the instructions. I'm going to go ahead and press my tabs. And if I've done everything correctly, I've got this Xbox Coupons tab up here that when I open up, it's now going to show me the full Xbox Game Pass code, which I can redeem, and it's going to give me 12 months for completely free. Now, when I redeem this code, it's going to be invalid, guys. These are one-time use codes, so once you get your code, make sure you keep it safe. So, to get your own code, guys, follow the instructions in this video. Go to wavycoupons.com. Make sure you go to the correct website and follow all of the instructions, and I hope you enjoy your free Xbox Game Pass. Hit that like button if you successfully got it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.